Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to disable the students' annotation on your files when you share your screen. Um, this is by the request of from a number of teachers. I'm making this video so that I show you how you can stop students making notes on your PowerPoint files when you share that screen with them until you give them that permission. First, when you share your screen with students, for example, just like that, you share the screen of your computer with the students, and then you open a file like that. Now here you can make annotations, and students can take notes and write it on your Word while they are just seeing the screen from your side. So to stop this annotation or disable this function that students do not have the permission to make notes on your files such as PowerPoint, Word, PDF, or etc., you can go to More and then disable attendee annotation. So by clicking on this, you disable the function of annotations by students. So now students cannot write notes on my file of Word here. I can do that by myself alone.